Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to discuss a little bit interesting topic. Today we have a lot of changes, they are local, they are global, and very difficult to understand who you are on this market, who you are on the, let's say, the scene or stage. And okay, let's start from my introduction. My name is Alexandr Putyato. I'm from Minsk, from Belarus. We do software for banks. I represent the company System Technologies. We do it for 25 years, and during all this time we passed a lot of things, a lot of changes. We see how banks changed, we see how the financial market changed, and a lot of approach, a lot of demands from banks, a lot of things that changed this world. And during all this time we like to understand what the common, what things banks and companies want to bring through all this time. So today I would like to ask you to think about what we know about brand. What does it mean, brand? And you can see here on the slide just several brands, several things that are most noble, that are mostly interesting for people, interesting for companies, and they go through all the times. But today the world is digital, mostly digital, and we are on the top of this. We understand that people communicate through digital channels, companies communicate through digital channels, and all business is building on these channels. So basically the question of the time, how to become more digital, how to become in the field of this market more noble and go through this time. Okay, let's think about during the whole presentation this, but I will tell you about our company, about facts that we do. And the first thing that I can say is that we are on the market 25 years, and it is 25 years of trust, 25 years of good approach, of communication, of connections with our partners, of clients, and being in the market of banking software solutions. It's a question about trust to our company, about attitudes to clients, to banks, and a lot of things that we bring with us for these years. So working in different regions, our team contains of more than 500 people, more than 500 experienced people who is experts in domain, experts in technologies, and who brings the quality to partners, to our clients. Looking through the whole client geography, I can say that financial institutions, they change mostly in the same way, and sometimes those experienced who passed in the first time, it's very common to those who's going to do it in this year, next step. And companies think about how to be more digital, how to create a digital brand, how to change their approach, how to become, let's say, more digital banks and even neobanks. But if you're a new company, if you have no understanding what the bank is, it's one approach, it's one way. If you already have a bank, if you have a long history, if you have a trust in your client portfolio, and you want to be a digital bank, it's another way. And we do have a solution for this both way. We understand what the way should go through to banks, and what needs for customers could be applied, and things to do for these banks. About technologies and things how we do. Today we focus on several things that most important for companies, for banks, and we have some cases. Between our clients we have several products that today I can say that explosion on the market. The most interesting thing that I would like to describe is our partner, our client is Commercial Bank of Kyrgyzstan. I think that all of you know about this explosion. The close the market, and together with this bank we created a new bank in bank, and this application, let's say, became a most powerful and most downloadable and most interesting application for clients, for people in the country. Having about 7 million of population of Kyrgyzstan, this application was downloaded more than 5 million times for at least half a year or a year. Yeah? And here is a very interesting example what digitization can do with a bank, with a brand. This company made a new brand. This bank made a new brand, M-Bank. Today, everybody knows it as an M-Bank. Nobody knows about what this bank was in the past. But this bank brings a new approach, a new things, a new functionality, and not new, but very important, trust and sustainable, and things that people come, why they come to this bank, because they trust them, they have understanding what will be tomorrow and what will be with their money tomorrow using this bank. So this is one of the most interesting and most recent things that we did with our, as well, companies who work globally, like FX Pro, also use our solutions, use our approach, use our things that we already done and provide to our clients. Okay, having not so much time, I will be a little bit faster. The main questions that we ask, what way you choose? Are you going to change your company to digital? Are you going to establish a new thing, a new company, a new business? And for any of this business, we can provide a consulting, we can provide more clear understanding and steps to perform, to become to the market, to reach, to achieve your goals, and so on. Things that we do, firstly is, of course, consulting. It's common work, it's common understanding how we can achieve these things, what solutions, what let's say instruments do we use to get this goal, and so on. Next step is definitely all our experience provided inside of solutions, inside of ready-to-use solutions. One of them is digital bank. Digital bank is mostly internet or mobile application that almost ready to use, but with some adoption, with some design, and companies or banks can use it as fast as possible. It's not a year, it's we count it's about months to implement, to be on the market, and we can also discuss this question together. The second thing that is most interesting and most valuable, and is like a heart of a bank or any financial company, is core banking system. For this means we created as a solution that's easy to implement, that's easy to use, that has very modern technologies, and we don't use any heavy databases. It's open sources. So light core banking system is most recent, most easiest way to become a financial institution or to change approach for traditional banks. And the thing that always is needable is using this solution. You always can manage with your clients, manage with your customers. You can provide a better service. You can understand what's proposals, what's communication with these customers, so on. And as a result of all this stuff, of course, banks have very different businesses, very different approaches. And in any case, we need to customize this software, to go with bank for several years and understand how it can change, how to think about what will be the next step, and so on and so forth. So I will finalize my presentation, and I will finalize it with a simple slide. just think about what is your brand and what will be your brand tomorrow and how to make it digital. So, thank you.